Okay, where's P? Oh, it's P. Okay, you dad. Why you still use that computer? Is there Roblox there? Yeah, son. You don't know? Play it. Okay. Oh my god, you almost break. That is bulletproof and their glass is 10 times unbreakable. Okay, then click. There's a garden. Dad, I never knew this was cool. Yes, son. Cause this is my. Do you know what this costs? What, Dad? It's 1 billion. This is 4.3 quadrillion and trillion million billion. This is so cool, man. Okay, Dad, I'm just gonna play Roblox in here. Wait, son, I need that for my work. But it's Saturday. And did you know you have a computer off day? Yeah. Can I borrow it? Okay, fine. But only 1 hour. Yo, this is so cool, man. Okay, so it's been 1 hour. No, Dad, it's okay. It's 1 hour. Catch. Oh my God. Okay, I catch it.